You don't mind if I record, right?
Of course, please do.
Okay.
So we are in our I-4 today in our Portimao Frozen Blue. This is one of my favorite vehicles that we have, period.
I absolutely love the color.
25, yeah. That paint is a labor of love for taking care of, but it's well worth it. You just got to go ahead and hand wash or take it to your local BMW dealership. They'll go ahead and do the wash for you.
Awesome.
Yeah, so it is nice. You know, they provide a nice service. You go and get some coffee and refreshments while you wait, get it tuned up, you know, just go and get your car looked at.
Yeah.
It's nice. So a maintained BMW is a good BMW.
Nice.
So then we also have all these other different modes. I can always do one pedal drive mode here.
Yeah.
And then if I wanted to do Comfort or Eco Pro to save some battery, I can. I'm going to go to live vehicle right here. And I can always go ahead and watch my car do its regenerative braking. So it just lights up blue whenever it's charging your vehicle without attention. Welcome back. What was your name? Daryl. Daryl? Shannon. All right. We're going to go to sport mode now.
And sport mode give you like launch control?
It doesn't do launch control, it just gives you a lot more.
Woo!
Oh, wow!
Holy crap, this is fast. It's like playing with lightning.
I like that. Oh, yeah, baby. I've never played with lightning yet. I like that.
Oh my
That's
God.
a good quote. That's a good quote.
Vlad, what's your opinion?
Yeah, it's so fucking awesome.
Oh my God. That felt like I time traveled.
Well, next time you guys want to ride and anything, you know, just tell them, hey, I'm on my break, and I'm sure they'll catch you in the line, you know.
Oh, absolutely. We're here all day for the rest of the week.
We'll be here too. We'll be here too. We've got plenty of drivers to take care of you guys.
Definitely.
So we got these Harman & Kardon speakers too, which work pretty well to go ahead and drop your bass.
Yeah.
And then this one here has actually got a nice cool hatchback with this Grand Coupe body style.
Yeah.
You can just fold down the seats if you want to go ahead and squeeze more than one set of golf clubs. It does well for your storage over here.
Wow, that's a lot of fun. Shit.
Oh, God.
What's the retail on one of these? Not that I can afford it.
How much?
Wow.
It starts at
72 up to 81.
This one here, yeah, you could always get them like used for around 33 grand, depending on which trim level you get.
Yeah.
M50 though, it does handle the cold better with a thermal insulated battery. So the eDrive 40 versions, those ones just don't maintain the battery life as long as the M50. But also because of the way this one handles all the sports driving and handling, it does drain that battery too. Aggressive driving style.
So basically every day you got to put it back to tribe. Well, thanks so much. All right. Have a great day and I appreciate it.
Yeah, nice to meet you.